Okay, so budget we have seen so many other things. Budget supplement. So if I want to increase the budget, so what I can do now, previously we have done already for 2013 1 lakh budget is given, right? And now what I can do is I can increase the budget, say for example 25,000 I want to increase, right? See, it became 1,25,000. So this is called budget increase. So we can increase the budget to the extent of, all right, whatever the thing that we want, we can increase it. And say now budget return. I think these are the things which we budget return is something. Now see, 1,25,000 is available. Out of 1,25,000, I want to return some budget. Say for example 10,000 I want to return. Just take 10,000. That's all. Right? See, this became 1,15,000. Okay. So depending upon the situation, you can do it. Budget return, budget change. Here budget documents. See, what are the documents that you want to see? The budget related documents can be seen here. See, 10,000 we have budget return. Right, there is a budget return document. You can write even the theory part, right? Budget returned. See 823. What is 822? So we have taken 25,000 budget. This is budget supplement. Budget supplement. So like this we can increase the budgeting, etc. So this is budget about the internal order, etc. Right? So with this we have completed the cost center accounting. So in cost center accounting we have seen so many topics, and assessment and distribution, and okay, cost center wise reports, internal orders, again internal orders, so many other things we have seen. And so these are the concepts which we have seen in cost accounting. Let us see profit center accounting. See profit center accounting, DRLB. It is not the Ferrolite decision. Okay, now let us see what is meant by profit center accounting. Till now we have seen cost center accounting. In case of cost center accounting, we are capturing the costs. So different costs we have captured. So cost center wise reports we have seen, cost center wise, cost element wise. Actually, one more thing, I don't know whether cost center accounting, this planning have we done? Information system reports, plan versus actual. So I think for the month of November we have done. November means 8th period. Yeah. So cost center planning also we have seen. So here cost center group, also we have seen group wise, all these group whatever this report also we have seen, right? So cost center planning and cost center wise reports, internal orders, budgeting, all those things we have seen. Now let us go through the profit center accounting. See, profit center accounting, what is meant by profit center accounting? Profit center accounting is nothing but, see, profit center wise profitability we can arrive at. See, just like in cost center accounting, so we are going to capture the cost by cost center wise. But in case of profit center accounting, we are going to define the profit centers. What are the profit centers? Profit centers are nothing but whatever the management that wants. See, maybe product wise, we can create profit centers, or division wise, or department wise, okay, whatever it may be. In our case, in case of Dr. Reddy Labs, say for example, we have bulk drug division, pharma division, like that, okay. So bulk drug division, pharma division. In this bulk drug division, say for example, pharma products, pharma product 1, pharma product 2. Say for example, maybe different products we have, right? So this is the bulk drug division. In the bulk drug division, say we may be producing ibuprofen, paracetamol, like each product wise I want to know the profitability. And the product wise profitability means, so whatever the cost of manufacturing and whatever the total sales minus cost of manufacturing, if you are able to get into if you are able to get these things by profit center wise, we can arrive at the profitability. Say for example, we have bulk drug division. So management wanted, I want to know the profitability by bulk drug division. See, in case of company code wise, we have all the company codes. Company code wise profitability can be arrived from financial accounting. Now in one company code we have 3 divisions: bulk drug division, pharma division, and XXX, some other division. Division wise profitability I want to arrive. So in such case, so 3 divisions. We can call these things as SBUs, strategic business units. Under these strategic business units, actually the lowest one is the profit center. So lowest one means, again, okay, how you are going to get the profitability for the bulk drug division? Now bulk drug division, whatever the number of products that you have, you are manufacturing, if you are able to get the profitability by product wise, then you can get the total division wise profitability. So pharma division, say this is bulk drug division, that is pharmaceutical division, right? This is pharma bulk drug division, sorry, not pharma. So this is pharma division, pharma product 1, pharma product 2. Here BD means bulk drug. BD product 2. This is BD product 1. Pharma product 1, pharma product 2. So something like that. Some different products. So product wise profitability I want to arrive at. So now the lowest one is the profit center. Here in case of cost center, I told you the lowest one is the cost center, right? So in such case, even here also the lowest one is the profit center. So if you arrive at the profitability by product wise and that is total at division wise, then that is total at total. production division wise. So for this production division wise, you can get the profitability, right? The manufacturing division wise. So like that, see, this is only sample one. So depending upon the real scenario, in what way you are going to arrive at the profitability, that we need to define, right? And this is DRLB. Okay. And okay, so like this we have to arrive at the profitability profit center plan. We need to arrive first. Once you define this profit center wise profitability and this organization structure, right? We need to plan cost also. Now what is the cost of bulk drug division 1, bulk drug division 2? For this purpose we need to create cost centers. The cost of the each division, for this purpose we need to arrive at the cost center wise report, right? So just like bulk drug division that you have done. So here I am doing production division 9000, and here bulk drug division. So bulk drug division. So even cost centers also I'm going to create the same way. And this is pharma division. Pharma division, right? And again here bulk drug product 1, bulk drug product 2. So these are all profit centers. Similar cost centers I'm going to create here. I have here similar cost centers because the reason is the cost of this production division is going to be captured here and revenues are going to be captured here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to link up cost center and profit center so that the cost will be flowing to the profit center and I can arrive at the profitability. All right, that we'll see how it is going to be done. And so what I will do is what I can do here. Where is this pasted? So bulk drug product 1, similarly so bulk drug division product 2, similarly pharma product 2. So what is my plan is, I'm creating production division. See, till now we have created only finance, P&A division, marketing division, like cost centers have created. Now production division cost center also we have planned for it. But till now we have not defined any cost centers for the production division. Now what my plan is, I'm going to create cost centers for production division, right? So cost centers for the production division is, again in the production division there is a further bifurcation like bulk drug division and pharma division. So in the bulk drug division, again product 1, product 2. Whatever the expenses that I'm going to incur in order to manufacture this, all those things will be posted to this cost center. And all the expenses that are incurred in manufacturing product 2 is going to be posted to this. See, similarly here what we have done the same way. What are the expenses that you have posted to corporate finance, corporate accounts, HR department, just like how you have posted expenses, similarly even here we are going to post expenses. And what are the assessment and distribution that we have done, that is the common expenses we have distributed, right? That is like electricity, water, all those things we have allocated the expenses by way of distribution, right? So the expenses which you allocate, the direct expenses, whatever you are going to, the primary cost if you are going to allocate to the cost center, that is called a distribution. If you are going to allocate the expenses of the total of the departmental cost, and you are allocating by using the secondary cost element, is called assessment. So in the notes which I have sent to you, very clearly given the differences between the assessment and distribution, right? And these things are available even in the SAP library, and whatever the book I have suggested you, even in that also that is available. So in every interview there will be a question on assessment and distribution, definitely. What is meant by assessment, what is meant by distribution, and what are the main differences between both, in which circumstances we are going to use, right? So by way of allocation of expenses, by way of assessment and distribution, how we have distributed or how we have allocated the cost to other cost centers, in the similar way you are going to allocate to production division also, right? Till now we have not created any production cost centers, right? Say for example canteen costs we have allocated by using the assessment to all the departments. Similarly, so even production department is there, the cost of the canteen is going to be distributed even to the this cost center, this cost center, and this cost center, this cost center. Similarly assessment, right? Canteen costs and what you call the distribution of electricity, water, everything, what are the expenses, the primary cost you are going to distribute along with other departments, you are going to distribute even to the production department also, right? In that way, and apart from that you are going to incur whatever the raw material cost, labor cost, any other cost that are directly incurred by this product will be posted to this cost center. The total costs are going to be captured in this cost center. Now when we are going to make the sale, when you are going to do the sale, and you are going to post the sales to the profit center, just like cost to cost centers, sales, that is nothing but revenues, you are going to post revenues to the revenues to the profit centers. Profit centers cannot take the cost directly. So then subsequently what we are going to do, I'm going to just reduce it a little. Right. So here what we are going to do, you know, what is this? This is cost center and this is profit center. Now both I want to link up on this cost center, this profit center. Similarly, right, I'm going to make a link between this cost center, this profit center, so that what happens, you know, the total cost that you are going to incur will be posted here. Total revenues will be posted here. And once the costs are posted here, the cost will be flowing from cost center to profit center once you are going to establish a link between these two. How we are going to establish a link, that we'll see in the cost center, right? Link is going to be given in the cost center only. Similarly here, the same way, from here to here, again here to here, same way. Right? Like that, I'm going to establish links between cost center and profit center so that the cost will be flowing from cost center to profit center. And we are going to post directly revenues to the profit center. Now, when you look at the profit centers, system will show you profit minus, that is sorry, the revenues minus costs will give you the profitability for each and every profit center, right? So that is my plan. How we are going to do this, that we'll see in the configuration. For that purpose, what I need to do, whatever the profit center I am planning here, I need to create an organization structure. Similarly, for cost center also I would to create again. See, all these cost centers we have created. Now we are going to create the profit centers and both establish a link. Then see that revenues are going to flow to the revenue centers, that is profit centers. Costs are posting here. In that way, it will be posted to these centers. Okay, so that is what we are going to do now. Now, profitability is going to be shown by profit center wise, right? So that we'll see now. So profit center accounting, right? Let me check. Controlling. So what we are doing is we are doing the conventional profit center accounting. Profit center accounting. Basic settings, set controlling area. So here controlling area DRCA. Okay. Next, controlling area settings. Maintain controlling area settings. Here we need to create standard hierarchy. Just like cost center hierarchy we have created, we have to create one profit center hierarchy, right? So DRL profit center HIER profit center hierarchy, and profit center local currency type, right? Local currency, whether it's a group company. Since we have selected already controlling area currency, let us take controlling area currency 20. Profit center local currency INR, right? I want to see my reports in INR. And from 2013 onwards, I want to activate the indicator for profit center accounting. And the valuation view, legal valuation. Always take legal valuation. Don't take profit center valuation, because so many people think that profit center valuation. So we have to take only legal valuation, because as per the legal valuation, we have to evaluate the assets, liabilities, everything. That is the assets and liabilities of the each and every profit center, valuation of the stocks, everything. So better you take always legal valuation. And dummy profit center, here dummy profit center is there. We'll see this later because this is blank. Once we create a dummy profit center, it will come and sit here. And what is the purpose of the dummy cost center? So dummy profit center is nothing but See, we are going to prepare profit and loss account as per the Companies Act. And now you are going to arrive at the profitability by profit center wise, right? Whatever the total profits that you are going to create, whatever the total profit that you are going to arrive from the P&L account point of view, the profit which is arrived in P&L account in as per the Companies Act should be equal to the profit that you are going to arrive by profit center wise, right? Whatever the total profitability that you are going to reflect by company code wise should be equal to the profitability that has been reflected in the controlling, that is profit center wise. But 99.9% the profitability as per the profit centers and profitability as per the Companies Act will never tally. Why? The reason being, say whatever the number of profit centers that you are going to have, you are going to post only here assets and liabilities are not going to be posted to so profit centers, only revenues and expenses we are going to post it. Now in certain cases we may or may not be using profit centers in order to post few entries, because may or may not be required. And say for example depreciation posted, I don't take any profit center, or few of the expenses I may or may not be taking the profit center into account, or the revenues into revenues into profit center, maybe the interest on financial charges. So all those things, once you are going to activate profit center accounting, system expect you to post everything to the profit center. Now when you are not going to post few entries to profit center, how your profitability as per the Companies Act and profitability as per the profit center accounting will tally? Because that element has already been taken care in the profit and loss account, and which you have not posted into profit center accounting. So in such case, what system will do, wherever you are not going to post any particular entries to profit centers, system by that by itself it will be posting to dummy profit center. Then when you are going to total it up, right, say for example PC1 plus PC2 plus dummy PC is equal to profit by P&L account, right? Now when you are going to post to profit center 1, profit center 2, that will be okay. If you don't post to any of these profit centers, system by default will take to dummy profit center. So then system will identify, okay, then it will total up all these three and the profitability will be equal to as per the profit and loss account, profit by P&L account, right? For that purpose dummy profit center has to be created. But in case of new GL, right, the dummy profit center, requirement of dummy profit center is not required, right? And when you are looking at the conventional way of doing the profit center accounting, you require it. And anyhow we'll see that also. Maintain controlling area settings that we have done, right? And master data, profit center, let us do one thing. Just I'm thinking whether to take you through the financial accounting. Okay, let us see the profit center accounting conventional. So first of all, create dummy profit center. Unless you create dummy profit center, we cannot go further. Even if you want to do something, system will not allow you unless you create it. See here, set control parameters in the, if you want to do something, system says that your profit center accounting is not yet complete. Say for example, from 2013 onwards, I want to use profit center. I want to transfer the line items, online transfer. That is what are the entries that we have posted to financial accounting. I wanted to transfer to the profit center accounting. If you try to do that, system says that controlling area is incomplete, DRL. So that's why if you have to create first a dummy profit center, then only it will allow you. See, create dummy profit center. PCA, create dummy profit center. So what I'm doing is DRL dummy basic data, dummy PC. Profit center group by default will take DRL profit center hierarchy. Save it. Alright. Now you come and see maintain controlling area settings. See here, this is filled up. Dummy PC, dummy profit center for DRL. Right. So now system will allow you to do all other settings. Now set control parameters for the actual flowing of data. I want from 2013 onwards, line item wise online transfer. Don't lock the system. If you lock, system will not allow you to post into the profit center accounting. So line items, I wanted to online transfer. Line items to be transferred to profit center accounting by online. Plan versions. Maintain plan versions. So plan version we have done in case of cost accounting, that is controlling cost center accounting. Similarly here also we are going to maintain plan version. Plan version is always 0. 0 means plan versus actual. So the comparison of plan versus actual is always 0. See here, this we have assigned to already cost center accounting. Now I'm going to assign plan versus actual to profit center accounting also. New entries for 2013. I want to plan online transfer and line items to be transferred, even plan also. Previous one, actual items we have checked. Now this is plan items, whatever the plan items you want, I want that to be posted to profit center accounting. And in such case, what is the exchange rate? Previously we have taken M means average rate. Now for controlling planning we have to take P for cost planning. In financial accounting generally we take M, average rate. See, P standard translation for cost planning. M standard translation at average rate, that is for financial accounting. And all these things have to be done for the purpose of flowing of the planned data into profit center accounting. The previous one is flow of actual data into profit center accounting. Right, with this certain basic settings have been completed. Now I need to create first a profit center hierarchy. Right, just like this I want to create profit center hierarchy. To create profit center hierarchy, master data, profit center, individual processing, and profit center group. First I need to create profit center group. Right, DRL PCHIER, that is profit center hierarchy. Click on hierarchy button. Object already exists. Shall we change it? Yes. Right, Dr. Labs, controlling area. and dummy profit center already assigned here. Now below that, what I want bulk drug division, pharma division. First of all, lower level, I want production division. Production division, what is the number? 9,000. So 9,000. Under this, I want to create lower level 1, 2. 9,001, 9,002. 9,001, 9,002. 9,001 is bulk drug division, pharma division. Right. Under this, again I have to create 2 profit centers here, 2 profit centers here. That is 9,101, 9,102. Right. So here we have created the organization structure, and let me create profit centers, profit center group, profit center here. Create profit center KE51. Right. So 9,101. Right. This one I'm creating now. So bulk drug product 1. Here 11 2013, not 11, rather 14 2013. So bulk drug product 1, sorry. So bulk drug product 1. So person responsible, so right, GM production. Profit center group. So this profit center will be coming under production division. Under that, bulk drug division 9,001. So bulk drug division product 1. Here these are the bulk drug division. Right. Here if you save, it is save as inactive mode. It will be saved in inactive mode. Right. Profit center is saved in inactive status. Now unless you activate it, it will not get created. See, it will be created, but it is not. It is not going to be useful. One minute. So profit center I want to create now. So like this it will be activated. If I want to create another one, 102. So this is bulk drug 2. Bulk drug product 2. But under same division. But activate it. Now if you see here, the same way, right? production division, in that bulk drug division, in that profit center 1, profit center 2. Similarly, 9,201. This is pharma product 1, right? Pharma product 1. One more thing I need to tell you here. Profit center pharma division. Okay. Here, this company codes, to which company codes? Right. Whatever the company codes, if you have more than one, then you have to select it. Otherwise, only one company code. Yeah, this is already linked to Dr. Lab bulk duct. So let us activate it. (201), similarly 202. Here this is pharma product 2. So if you have clear idea about what you are doing, right? If you create the organization structure like this, then you will have more clarity. So we have done this one. Under that, 2 profit centers we have created. Let us check this group. Change. See here. Okay. Now, once we have created this one, the same thing you need to create even the cost centers. Same organization structure you have to create in the production division of cost center, because already cost centers we have already created, but these are the cost centers we have created, but we have not yet created the production division cost centers. Now I'm going to create production division cost center hierarchy and establish a link between the cost center and the profit center. Let us see how we do it. So case H1 is cost center group. Let us go to cost center counting, master data, cost center group, case H1 creation, case H2 change. So DRL standard hierarchy. Already we have made a provision for production division. Now under this I need to create 1, 2. What? Bulk duct division, pharma division. That is 9,001 and 9,002. This is and pharma division, right? Under this again I have to create cost centers. Under the bulk duct division we need bulk duct product 1, bulk duct. Same way what we have created here, the same way I'm going to create now even as cost centers, right? So let us create cost center. So cost center, individual processing, create. This is 9,101. 1/4/2013 onwards. So bulk duct product 1. cost center category. So we have cost center category F for production division, right? Hierarchy area. So hierarchy area will be 9001 because bulk drug division. So business area DRHY. Now what I told you, I'm going to establish a link between this and this. Now what is my profit center here? 9101. And what is this also? 9101 I have given. So similar dedicated cost centers I have created. Now this profit center I am going to link up here. Now here system will show you. Otherwise, so we have 4 profit centers. Right, 9101. Bulk drug 1, bulk drug 2. See, in 9101 I am assigning 9101. But this is profit center, this is cost center. Now we are establishing link from here to here. This is what we have done. Similarly, I want to take one or two. This is right, bulk drug product 2. Bulk drug product 2. Everything same. Here bulk drug product 2. So bulk drug product 2 and cost center product 2 both are linked now. So similarly I need to create 900-201. This is pharma product 1, pharma product 2. Right here 9002 pharma division. Right here 2001. So here 2001, sorry, 9201, 9201. Pharma product 1. Here I am creating 9202, same way. Now pharma product 2. Right. So here, first of all, if you understand this organization structure, then same thing you are going to replicate in SAP system. First we need to plan to have this one. Now see, I'll show you both. See here, KSH1. Here I'll show you profit center accounting. master data, profit center group, right? Here case H2, this is see now here this is cost center accounting, this is profit center accounting. If you observe production cost center, right, just only take production one. See 9,000 production division, under that bulk drug division, pharma division, bulk drug division, pharma division. Right here we have bulk drug division, product 1, product 2. Even here you have bulk drug division, product 1, product 2. Here pharma division, product 1, product 2, pharma division, product 1, product 2. But all this is cost center accounting, this is profit center accounting. So what I have done here in this cost center, in the bulk drug, this profit center is linked. So that what happened, the cost will be posted to this and the cost will be flowing from this cost center to this profit center, right? This is what the plan. And the same way we have created both. So it may be a bit confusing to you to understand, but the thing is first you try to understand this plan, right? We are creating dedicated cost centers for each profit center. If you ask me, is this the same way you follow for all companies? Means no. Depending upon the nature of the company, say for example, a company is having 2,000 products. Are you going to create profit centers by product wise? No, never. If the number of products are less, then we can go with product wise. If number of products are more, then you have to create divisions. We had, say we had a company where we have profit center accounting. There are more than 5,000 products are there for them. For that, we have created a division wise profit centers. There, one is textile division and processed food division and something like that. Certain major divisions are there. Division wise, under the division, again under the textile division, we have the cotton, complete exclusively cotton division they have separately. Other than cotton, other than one more, some certain divisions are there, 3-4 divisions. So division wise we have created profit center accounting. Similarly, food processing division, under the food processing division, so they had classification of different foods. So that is around half a dozen. So for each and everything we have created a profit center. So all the total profits, all the sales revenues will be posted to profit center accounting. So anyhow, the planning of your profit center accounting has to be done as per the actual requirement of the company, right? So now so we have created. Now what I want to do is let me check for FS00 for 3 lakhs. What is the sales? 3 lakhs 1 sales pharma products. So what I will do is I will change it as first is bulk drug division, bulk drug product 1, bulk drug product 2. So what I will do is sales so bulk drug product 1. So bulk drug product 1. And one more thing, you need to change your field status group, because we need to create a revenue element for each and everything. Let us see here, 29 revenue accounts. Let us take revenue account 29. The reason being, in 29 profit center accounts will be activated. That is, profit center field will get activated. Okay. Okay, I've saved it already. Okay. Now I'm going to create for season 1 cost element. So cost element means revenue element you have already created. Sales, product 1, product 2. Alright. Then similarly 2. You have already that. Here sales, product 2 this is. So here financial accounting, because this problem you'll get if your tax has not been assigned. Because if somebody has changed the tax procedure for the country, then it will give you this error. Assign country to calculation procedure. Go to country India. Sorry. Something like some other thing is there. So that's why it has given us an error. So our tax procedure we need to tax DRL. Now come back here to come out, then so 3002. Right, sales bulk drug product 2, sales bulk drug product 2. Sales tax code D2 not defined for calculation procedure. The data contains an error. 1 minute. Here what I will do is I don't know somebody. 29. Okay. Similarly, 3000, say 3003. I want to create. Three racks. 1. See here, second, this product, pharma product 1, sales, fourth one, with template, pharma product 2. And one more thing, we have created cost element for each and everything. Cost element, revenue element is 11. For all sales is a revenue element, revenues. Similarly for product 3, cost element 1 for revenue element 11. So for cost element we have taken selected 1, primary cost, cost reducing revenues. But whereas here it is going to be 11, that is revenues. So each and every sales account need to be defined as revenue. And one more thing here, I told you 29 is the field status group. Here profit center field will get activated. Additional account assignments, cost center, see the next one. See, a profit center is optional. So at the time of posting the sales entry, what you can do is you can post the revenues to profit center. Just like cost center, I don't know whether you remember or not. We have taken previously, we have created with G001, but after activating the controlling area, we have changed G001 to G004 so that cost center fields will get activated so that you can post every expenditure to a cost center. Similarly, now every sales, whatever we post, that should be posted to a revenue center, that is profit center. So that unless you have a profit center activated field, where you are going to post it. So that's why for that purpose we have activated profit center field, right? Let us stop here. We'll continue tomorrow.
I have a small doubt.
Yeah.